The asset management company Investec's been doing rather well of late. So far this year, it's gone up from about 170-ish to 300. So it's not quite doubled, but it's done rather well. Can that trend continue? Let's just look at the longer term. Whenever this company has been in the doldrums, it has tended to rebound, but it's taken about 2 to 3 years for it to do that. Now it's at the 300 level that you can see here, and the momentum inclined upwards, a bit like it had been post 2009 and the financial crash of that era. And if we say this is going to be a replica of that, where it goes from around the 300 mark to maybe we set a target of 500, so that it's at a long-term average of the price and nothing over optimistic, then we're looking at what, a 66% return. But really the question is, what's the risk? The risk is you go back down to 200 at least, so that takes you a 33% to the downside. So you've got a 2 to 1 on the upside on the investment side of things. But what's the duration? Well, I'm afraid I'd have to say about 2 years is the outlook you'd have to give. Remember, this is not part of my great investments program strategy, which is cash flow rich companies, revenue growth companies, earnings profitability companies, although this company Investec does meet a few of those criteria as well. But it's just looking at things outside of that box. And I'd probably say a 66% return over 2 years with a 33% to the downside. You might not like that reward risk time matrix, in which case you'd stay away. Alternatively, you might say, actually, that's not too bad a take. But I just wanted to give you a viewpoint on that and where we are with it.